Lessons from Teenage Saints. Ako si Risa Seng Kaupeng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. What do Pedro Calungsod, Maria Goretti, and Dominic Savio have in common? All of them are Catholic saints who became martyrs for Jesus at a young age. Saint Pedro Calungsod, our own Filipino martyr, was just a teenage catechist when he left everything familiar to evangelize in Guam, facing hostility and ultimately martyrdom at the age of 17. Saint Maria Goretti resisted her neighbor's sexual advances when she was 11 and ended up being stabbed to death. Saint Dominic Savio deliberately separated himself from worldly pursuits, the gossip, crude jokes, and shallow friendships of his peers. Today, our teenagers face a different kind of isolation and difficulty. They're surrounded by people, connected through screens, yet still very lonely. But unlike Dominic's chosen solitude, this loneliness is crushing and even dangerous. As parents, guardians, and elders, we can help alleviate our teens' painful isolation by creating spaces for real connection. Let's put down our phones during meals and listen to their stories. Second, let's take their feelings seriously. Pag sinabi nilang nalulungkot sila o nahihirapan, wag nating sabihin, okay lang yan, kaya mo yan, dami mo ang ibang friends, no? Kasi ang mga social media friends nila ay hindi naman talaga tunay na komunidad. And third, let's create face-to-face activities. Family game nights, serving together in church, cooking meals, because real relationships happen in real presence, not on screens. Tayo magdasal. Jesus, you are our one true BFF. Let our teens find true friendship and companionship in you. Bless them also with good and faithful friends who will lead them closer to you. Amen.